Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to delete contact number in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to delete your contact number, so why you can delete it. In this video guys, I will show you how to delete contact number. So let's see how to delete it guys. First of all, open your this phone. Before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone. So I have this one contact. So I open your this contact number. After guys, you can see this three dots. So I click here, and guys, you can see delete contact number. So you can delete from here. Click on delete contact. Yes, we want to delete it. So as you can see in our phone, this contact will delete. Don't have any contact guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to delete contact number in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet the next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.